Hello guys, welcome back to the dangerous events. The scary winds and the heavy rainstorm has destroyed the France very badly. So these are the pics after the destruction by the scary winds and the heavy rainstorm in the France. The trees have been flown with the scary winds gusts and the roads have been flooded and the cracks have been reported on the roads. The houses have been broken down, the buildings have been broken down, the life system has been jammed briefly. In the initial reports, it is reported that the 98 mm rain have been reported. The wind speed was about the 130 km per hour. But in this horror and the very dangerous crisis, the helping teams, the rescue teams and some NGOs and the welfare organizations are helping the helpless and the affected residents. The people had left their houses when they have been warned about the scary winds gusts and the heavy rainstorm. The government of France is arranging some safe places for the affected areas residents. So please pray for the residents of the affected areas in France. God bless them and God put them safe in the places.